no girl, no boy, no granny, nobody. A girl never make me run yet. If me love my man, I never run down him yet. A girl gonna make me run. I say when I feel for say, and none of you can tear my mouth or doctor my mouth and tell me what to say. If on a big pussy woman in on feelings because I have an opinion, then fuck you too. Like what the fuck me look like? Yes, man. I don't know none from nowhere suck hoods. So needs a congregation of suck hood. But for join up with them after I don't know from nowhere. Where wanna come from? One bag I wanna just come out of nowhere and feel like you can't tell me I'm my friend or nobody were out here a long time what for do. You go suck through the pelican shape, mama. I don't fucking tell us what to fucking do. And if you don't feel like you're not going to one gang or one group, pick up yourself, stand bossy. If you don't feel like you're not going to one gang or one group or you're not going to come for me and my friend, let the game's blood clot begin. Because I'm telling you, so when you start, just remember, say, I want to first start. Some of you play checkers, some of you claim you play chess. But I ludi me blood clot play and me love lock pan girl stop. So anytime when a blood clot ready for go down a road, just remember uno first blood clot start it. Because I'm gonna start when I can't blood clot finish. I'm gonna finish, me always finish when my blood clot start. Don't fuck with me or my friend. You hear me tell you no? Because when I have to go dig up na girl pass, when I have to do na girl no ranks, and when I have to meet up on a blood clot girl. Because God bless you with one tongue in our blood clot mouth, where we know we can come exercise and execute what is needed to be done. Because I don't want to give you soap and rag and water and bathe off on the dirtiness in front of everybody. You hear me? I tell you no? Just see me. I don't know if Candy wanting upon her, but I'm sure she don't wanting upon her. Just see we allow we. Because I want to come like one big old baboon on the internet. I want to love blood clot, cry when people come funny. You hear me? I tell you no? Me I don't know, yes, girl, me not upon a blood clot payroll. Say anything me feel like for say, and anything more want to make a blood clot do. I want to know which suck who that gonna tell me or my bestie what to fucking do. Y'all be seeing me quiet and love laugh and chill. Don't fucking wake up the monster in me. You hear me? I tell you. You see that SPST blood clot one day where she getting her feelings one day. Show me have a blood clot opinion. Careful what you fucking do upon this. You hear me? Because I am not the one that tore the fucking tree. Tuffy go sit down. Tuffy go sit the fuck down. And don't fucking come for me. Because you know don't fuck with me. So I'm not even going to look upon you. Because you is a dead case over there, sir. But you see, you shit up blood clot mouth Wong. Where you say they are Jamaica's a big, stinking, dirty prostitute who marry a pimp. Don't fuck with me, bitch. Because remember, say, between two car, them duck your blood clot head and fuck out your body hole, you know. Remember, say, I saw you get asylum for run, come over, you know, bitch. So now come use your gunman voice and come shut up my mouth and come call me blood clot name. And Tuffy, you tell me if you go suck my mother and my bestie, go boom flip back in a fear dead mama. I don't fucking tell me if you go suck my mother. You know nothing about her mother? Fucking unfit mama, you know nothing about a real mother. What the fuck you come tell me if you go suck my mama? Tuffy, dare me make a dirty teeth, dirty stinking, oily, greasy face, dry head girl like you disrespect me and my mom? Is the day me fucking laugh and come off of this blood clot completely. So like I said, I'm not saying no, so please take on the eye off of me. Because me are the one, the two, or the blood clot three. So the whole I want to please focus on the target. Because we cannot bully a blood clot beef. You hear me I tell you? You cannot bully a blood clot beef. Because if a beef on the war with me, you have to remember say the whole of a chicken. The whole of our blood clot chicken. Some of them want to come on live. And I can and I go like a gang on the inner. Cause remember, if the war get sticky out here, on the can't go blood clot manage. So focus on a little bit of people them wanna cuss with. Cause you know when me come here, I come with rain and terror. Cause me not ask you a gang we a gang on the out of this if it get to a point. You hear me I tell you all rich. Them dirty skirmish we want a proper beer. We don't want a proper bath in some cold water. Some cold water bathing you don't want. So continue make me swang down out, you hear? Cause remember so you can't even manage your war when you in. So I don't know how the fuck you not gonna manage the veterans them out here. Just humble yourself cause I don't want to come read out on the logistics out here. I don't want to go in some file cabinet. I'm going to some old file cabinet where the New York girl them send me about summer out here. Please leave and avoid me and my best friend. You hear how me a beg you know? Nobody think a coward, me coward, you know, girl. Nobody feel like you can come run up on me like blood clot June. Cause me a one girl me ever ready. I'm never blood clot scared. I know my bestie ever have the receipts them ready for go doctor up and flap on a blood clot show out here. And I couldn't have to run off of this blood clot internet like some bitches that uno is. Miss Wong, don't forget where you're coming from, all prostitute. Don't forget where you're coming from, all concubine. All drug seller, all crack sniffer. Remember say you sniff more crack than the man in a blood clot soprano. Cokehead, Miss Wong. She don't need for black nobody cause I been black her cause I don't make she know say she can't come for my blood clot friend Karen. And that's her blood clot, that. Cause I not play, when it come to friend game out here, I not play a joke. I not flip-flop with my blood clot friend them. My friend them are my blood clot friend. That's why me and them are friend for years. Cause I not do the fake something that I do out here. Take no blood clot. Anybody ever call your mommy yet? I be a dirty girl, them call you and shit house and wish up dead pie you. So the blood clot here come tell me if you go suck man, but I go boom flick in your father batty wall bitch. Fuck you feel like or dirty dog. Now I have to call my friend them and get some fella and run that blood clot. Cause when me not come with fake news, you know that. You see how long me I avoid the all beast, all condemnation. You're out of order and blood clot bright too. You're out of fucking Vada and bright too. One of them dirty slug here. Well walk on and wet up everything with them cross. I wanna know. The whole fucking letter under the rejects. I go like when you can't come style me, I'm a bumper clot friend. How the fuck you feel like, bitch? Don't make it work. Yeah, my mouth again in a long time. I wrap up this tongue here and put it down for rest, you know. Yeah, my blood clot friend them car. If you take on 5 hours, easy blood clot help. I see you, Miss Blood Clot one where your face need for go donate to one blood clot cemetery. She for go bury dead people. Blood clot come and beat blood clot Blair in a prison. You need to make your husband beat out your dirty thinking pussy when I get no fuck. Where you say good girl?
Wagwan.
But they are
Tuffy go jump off of one eye blood clot building a hanger blood clot. Me, their friend, everybody, and then come me 8 blood clot. Tuffy more put me like how you buck up June downtown or blood clot. I put more put down the baby because you all stop where people are look up in the blood clot. You're too much. All the beg you can't better. You know, see, curse the your destruction. You do too much wickedness in our life. For go,
But
man.
nobody
See them
over
all
the
listening
fire
in the
say me say
diary.
blood clot Tuffy. So them me I say bad to bad, even though we not like her, bad to bad, she make blood clot June shaky. Which is the fucking truth, and not because me not like you mean me gonna be biased. This dirty fuck out or I come talk about Diary and Candy go suck on the mother. No, you go suck your mama whenever I want you. Go
Tough for
suck
the
your
hairdresser
mother
side
whenever I
8
want
you.
you.
The hairdresser side 8 you cause your wig lean no blood clot. It could even serve 2 days for your big jumbo head. Head come like one big blue jumbo. You like you for go away. You make the people them all of the friend them want you come like you want the people them live in a misery. For go away, man. Blood clot and go sell that fuck, go dance, go. Go sell out your big hole where you save up for your ugly man in your house. You can't come for me because I don't say you want tell me say I mean I can't suck no girl pussy.
Tuffy them
You
can
not tell me
wipe off
no.
your forehead to blood clot and shine 50 man blood clot big boot. They can't wipe
Every
off your
day.
forehead. Well, like my friend all call me like my friend call me about one big mix up, but she have to go wait. Cause me have to come warn them dirty girl I say, me, hey, leave me alone, you know, you hear me tell you no? You hear me tell you
Like I
no?
should go
Tuffy
man.
the over blood clot Ashanti. Yeah, right now me I drink like a wine and there. Me about for fry my planting. Diary Tuffy over
Hello, me
Ashanti. I talk
I
about
go over there.
how sugar blood clot go for June tomorrow. Tuffy, I open you see June, she sit down tired dirty blood clot. If June a hold you and choke the fuck out of your dirty bitch, me I tell you, at them time me I got blood clot lose. Cause if June allow you, dirty Tuffy, to come in a blood clot, see if you come beat her, then she not know you. So comes we're gonna know so she don't make sense of bomb
No, sir,
clot.
then no, Tuffy can't go there, so go lick June. You must be mad.
Outside than a blood clot, she take one heap of stripe now and I go like she a bad girl and I talk about
Yeah,
anybody.
man, in the
Well,
boots, sir, make sure go on down there, man. Boots him up,
but
man.
anybody when this are from blood
You.
clot IG, when them come at Jamaica, she go for them. Go for your mama bleeding
You
blood
can't come
clot.
for me.
But I wish you come for me to bomb clot. I can get for blood clot Anglia and tear you up no pussy blood clot.
Tuffy,
Cause
my
guess
mother sing a
what?
victory, so you can't meet me
You're
there.
too bright. Boy, you come go like you're
I'm
some
brave,
bad bitch.
so. But
You
I
ain't
know
no
I will
fucking
put one
bad bitch,
battery in a
how?
fear blood clot back. Because Tuffy no normally call my blood clot name. But yes, it came if I blood clot put a battery in a Tuffy back, come declare your blood. Come declare your blood clot self as a bad bitch. Because if you want
Beggy,
go down
beggy,
the road there with
beggy.
Kim, me can't
I
go
said,
down
but
there
what
with
to
you.
blood clot? I said, any old June no whole Tuffy tomorrow. When Tuffy claim to say, cause she think, you know, she get a hype, you know. So she swear to God, so she can just go see if you a bomber clot, girl. And when you there when blood
God.
clot, people see if you are take care of blood. See if you don't just come on the map yesterday. You're out
Go
on
on
a
for
blood
June,
clot,
again.
but
Go
you
on for
go see if
June.
you. Girl, you can't carry blood clot, bad vibes go see if you. And the people in the world, you map your blood clot.
Go on for
Talk true
June.
now. No, that's really disappointed in a Jamaica so where it really come to. Outside on a blood clot, dirty Tuffy. Tuffy, you want blood clot. You want a wire brush, you brush your teeth. Them, your teeth, them dirty no pussy clot. I don't give a fuck. But
Beggy,
you
beggy,
come the other day.
beggy, she
Everybody
name.
have them opinion on IG, but you come about, oh, lava. Girl, go suck your mother.
She
Now
call
you
her
have
name
it.
too.
What?
She call her name too.
Yeah. Oh, but you fight against him.
Kim send it, ask Kim send it, greasy face, blood clot. Kim. Kim.
Oh, you be here, yeah, you think never the palm my
Larry, me come back.
page. My
All right,
business,
darling.
everybody have my opinion. Why me can have opinion that somebody lost them life and people, even if them don't involve in it, them are involved them blood clot cell. So when me hear them name called pandemic, I go say something because I see him where a girl could have come kill me too and left me dead girl left my blood clot.
Anybody win blood clot.
At the end of the day, Honey, we did a bomber clot talk about. We don't know who from here, but we know about Honey.
Blood clot Kim. Kim bomber clot Kim. Me just why you come.
Boy, you call up blood clot people name. Like we are your blood clot size. Don't say your pussy stink, girl.
Come to life tomorrow. Call me blood clot name.
Don't say your pussy stink, Tuffy.
Every evening come rub out.
Don't say stink na blood clots. The people them run a Wildman Street say you pokey rotten out, y'all. I know we say it, we just bring. I know we say it, we just bring back the news with blood clot.
Mama ain't want you that say you know what your them. You breed up a pitney like puppy dog and lift them fucking come for me, bitch. Me never come for you yet.
Right, no blood. The minute them start there a little hype and a little feature, she don't know how to blood clot act. Tuffy, when me and shit out a dog back to wall and go suck your mother dirty bitch.
I like your blood clot tell dirty woman.
The minute them start there a little hype diary, she start to go on like say, she forgot say we have our blood clot file out teeth in beggy bumbo wall girl. We know you beg like dog and we know you scam like blood clot old cat. And I'm tell you something stinking girl, we not stop know your file because they all over YouTube and they all over Instagram. So nobody come go on like you can pass your place stinking Tuffy. You're a little bit too bright. Don't call me blood clot.
I teeth them where hang out our blood clot head like a donkey where take out Jesus from out a blood clot Nazareth.
You want a wire brush,
remove
Tuffy.
your blood clot. But go suck your mother. Go suck back your mother whenever want you, bitch. You know
right. You go like a little bit too bad. From the day you're born, we never hear say you go with nothing out of this blood clot, Tuffy. Nothing we're progressive out of this blood clot. You extort your children and you bring down your family and all you do is walk and beg no blood clot. We don't have nothing good for talk about you. You Tuffy, you come like elephant a blood clot. At 18 months you take it for deliver a baby because yeah, girl, move your blood clot. You're all tired about you come calm blood clot name. You see what's like come here drink drink.
Like tomorrow me a turn on Kim. Come in why you blood clot sent Tuffy out at you.
Dirty Tuffy.
My life, make it make sense.
None of you have life. Anthony come liberty taking out my pussy tongue when my blood clot just in my period. Where you stink the blood clot. Anthony Wilkin. You don't even know if you spell your blood clot name. Because I don't know what kind of name that you stink. You and Tuffy pussy stink the blood clot. Anthony come lava juice out my nasty blood clot for my worst day. How about that? Anthony come fulfill my blood clot order. Yeah. How about that? Anthony, where you come over here for? Anthony, you have a pussy tongue. You look so. None of we not suck it. None of we not suck it now. None of we not fuck it. Anthony, your pussy bigger than our one, the blood clot. So we're not in an argument with you. Because it seems like say you have the limit to the blood clot glamity and the tight in your panty. We're not interested. How about that? I don't know who him. Him and Tuffy suck cock in a blood clot and chop on a blood clot like. How about that? I'm going to drink like a bit more wine for you, Anthony.
The last me check, no girl no pay with bills.
We can't talk out our mouth. Because we don't need a wire brush to brush with blood clot teeth. Because you wake up every morning and brush your teeth at night. Me not tell nobody say I brush my teeth three times a day. I brush it nights and mornings. Okay? So Anthony, come liberty taking out my blood clot batty wall like Batman.
When I got a dentist, they tell us saying I have to brush your teeth too much time too.
Stinking blood clot, bitch. Tuffy not have no time and no patience. She thinks that she should arrive over blood clot night like package. Girl, you not have the spend a cent, boy. Boy, come, boy. All you lover, you fight against Kim.
Kim, no worry your blood clot.
This is about blood clot, Kim.
That little girl.
The business about Kim.
She
Cause people see me the fire and me give blood clot more than our share.
Wait, man. Just wait, Kim.
Talk the most things, and if anybody is supposed to have up anybody a blood clot hope, because we bring down hope no blood clot and laugh off a hope. So I don't understand who is blood clot Kim. Kim and nobody we know a blood clot Kim. Kim and we used to bumble clot walk and cross road. A stinking blood clot, yeah, go on, you know. And that me a blood clot tell you.
But you and Tuffy for we move your blood clot. Come on the blood clot life I go on like say. She just laugh. But where's the Tuffy?
People been out here and do this and I do that. People been out here long before when the blood clot come. And I do that and I say what them want blood clot. So I don't know what is it. I don't know what is it. On a favor dog put no blood clot. On a go you know. And that me I tell somehow no. On a think no blood clot. Boy, you come call me name about all you lover. You think me not hear you pan bag of TV? Me did not watch you with my fake page.
And no pussy test.
That me want know. And that me want blood clot know. Me don't say it already. Candy am a mentor. And she tell me.
And if I shoot out, and if I every day 40 days and 40 nights, trust me, we clock in for me shift and rubber bitch free. Cause on can't manage no girl mouth over your son.
No bright, no blood clot after we come and highlight, you know. After we highlight, you know, and put up on blood clot pedestal, whether we are laugh or we are talk or whatever the fuck we are say, we make on get a bumbo clot buzz. Cause if we never log on and pay on a blood clot attention, we wouldn't have so much chat. We too bright. I saw it going to take up some of them dog puppy and them turn around and blood clot bite you. Me don't want to see none of no pussy blood clot. And that me I tell you no. From here and after, me exclusive no blood clot. Me don't want a friend from this blood clot IG. Lava for the only for the blood clot volcano. And that me I tell you no pussy.
Well want to say hi.
Harder. After diarrhea take up for your nasty corruption blood clot, but that you forget. That you forget diarrhea, that you for blood clot. Yes, you the out here take up for the girl. And you look like you put your head pan blood clot back pan cutting table, make them chop off your neck for blood clot Tuffy. And there she goes around the ring. And when she see you, you think she love you. And she just give you the 24 blood clot vaccine in your 24 bumbo clot. You fuck her, you? Yeah. Fucking bright. Come call up your blood clot name. Who you? You can't run up on June, but you can't run up your blood clot. Y'all will murk you. Fuck wrong with you. You go like some of girl blood clot out there afraid of you. Look how much girl class you. Look how much time people class you. You never have no blood clot friends. I wonder who give you wings. They must be Red Bull selling them. Fuck with girl.
But every wing can get cut off like 30.
I don't know what do are. Can we pluck out them blood clot feather out of your wings, girl? I don't know want to her. She don't know say every blood clot, every creature with blood clot wing can pluck out. You ever see one time bird go through hurricane, you saw the hurricane them blow up them blood clot feather and them featherless. Hey girl, go away. And that we have blood clot tell you. Outside you come now. Like you think say you have an orchestra, blood clot, girl, and the people in my class here. I know that you go on with one bag of badness. And the people them say, yeah, I want thing Tuffy go bad up June, but I want thing to blood clot Tuffy. We still hate you at the end of the day. We don't like you. You piss bed in a blood clot. From me see your face, girl, me know your rank. Right? Outside. Don't play with me. I'm about, lava. I respond to your blood clot, old beggy girl. You ever send your money yet?
Never.
I don't know why I'm going to send you blood clot money. I'm going to have my paparazzi, hungry belly blood clot people and mommy can go get.
Okay. Get it over on Facebook?
No. Let me over Facebook.
I got see you.
So the part Ashanti show right now, Uko.
I do what?
I chat the most things. Like she a bad girl.
She go see you for who?
She go see you for June.
Make she go on, make June throw acid on her.
And that me want she blood clot go down the pan, cause the people them go pan June page and I tell her, I say, okay, mama, make you come and see you with her fuck friend, no? Make sure come and talk Tuffy a blood clot. Talk. I bet you wanna see Tuffy down a blood clot see you. Dirty
Love a
girl.
Tuffy one beard.
She not dirty man. Her man beggy just like she. The man come like him with a suck cocky for a blood clot living. Me not responsible for blood clot. Hey boy, me yes say you a bad boy, but you not better than me a blood clot. Me work with FBI and CIA.
I'm a real bad for your area, pussy.
Yeah, for your area. Bad for where your blood clot is, but they can't compare you come you with not chat on this blood clot. Every girl of them own badness out of this blood clot. Out of it. You know? We don't know.
We don't know them from nowhere.
Nowhere. I will not give a fuck about them. Nobody not play with a blood clot. Keep preach to them a blood clot.
You know this is facts, bitch. My friend never come from your area. Know you, and you know this is facts. They come talk it all the blood clot time. You know, Tuffy, don't do that. Tuffy, leave it alone, Tuffy. Just love it.
Yes, that's the blood clot, and girl. Let them flick your blood clot over.
Just love it, girl. Cause I don't want to wake up the symmetry up in Empire.
No, she talk like she's some bad girl. Girl, we don't know you as a bad girl. We know you as a big girl. We don't know you as a bad girl. You run down pan June and June so she just never want blood clot mercy because her birthday.
No man, she pussy up June for sure.
She pussy up June, yes. She pussy up June. But how much people stuff you know what take it diarrhea come talk about anybody will talk to her now we up IG. When them come at Jamaica, she go confront them. Big pussy girl, me book a flight for your blood clot to just.
Tuffy come confront the V6 on the toll road.
Outside on a blood clot.
So we come at Jamaica with exclusive.
I don't know what
I be
but anybody come at Jamaica like the people are come at blood clot Jamaica and come down and spoil that.
People walk by the road.
I don't want to know who the fuck go at Jamaica. First of all, if you're going to take a trip, you're supposed to know where you're going to stay. And I don't feel like if you're there parent for a certain amount of time, you're not supposed to go catch with family in a happy house.
And the girl not supposed to go to Jamaica and go stay at blood clot Tel Aviv or Wallman Street and them dirty place there.
Okay. Some don't know what she talk about oh, any girl with this and that type of internet when them come at Jamaica, she have this and she have that. So if you be chat your blood clot chat with your dirty mouth. Your mouth dirty in a blood clot, but brush your teeth, dirty girl.
Idiot girl. Right now, any blood clot draw, me pull out money that show in there, could they? Any blood clot draw. Couple we loaded. We blood clot loaded. Go fuck your mother, girl. We loaded. Make any draw, me draw out in my house. I can show you a trailer load, bitch. Go suck your mother. Cause you there come run off your mouth for some little thinking pussy girl. We probably have little drugs money or little fake marriage money, so you feel like you're rich. Hey girl, people have career of foreign. People have real life of foreign. People have
husband.
jobs.
Tough your husband are all crook.
Like, no girl can
your
buy
husband are all crook. Your husband. Wait, no man. Diarrhea, your blood clot platform. Give me a break, no man.
All right.
Give me a break, no man. Tough you come out there and come talk about husband. What kind of man blood clot is your husband?
Blood clot money body, but egg you money body. From what the notice and I come from last but me know where they pan in a girl.
Money body for tell her to come lava juice out her blood clot pussy. And that money body for tell that dirty girl, the whole skirmish girl. You can't chat in a blood clot girl pan this dirty girl. You can't chat in a girl pan this blood clot dirty Tuffy. No girl pan this you see the totem pole, you're there the blood clot bottom. And you know grass dirty girl, cause you're the lower than everybody. You know the eye pan the totem pole a blood clot drunker if you know one name so. You're outer than a blood clot, but you come ask money body about this, that and the other. Girl, money body that spit in your face, I think I June.
I want to go over there stuff in my checkbook. Them and much people me pay for the blood clot. We go suck your mother, girl. You can't style me.
Money body, what are we make dirty stinking tough here come style? It ain't easy. What kind of blood clot?
No, listen, on a little, I'm a body me go do. So I never have no time for answer Tuffy the way I want to.
The noise must be a reason why you don't answer that shit fly there, blood clot.
No, man, not pay and I swear to God.
Every girl have them job, them work, them career, them business, big pussy.
And have them investment.
Big pussy friend them.
have them investment. No girl
And
from
none of
blood
them
clot
man
internet
now
can't
come
ever
to
send a period. No girl a
blood
beg them
clot
a dollar
church.
yet. Call have
Some of them
ever
don't
have our
say,
blood clot money.
oh
Thank
yeah,
God
tell
the
people
old white man
them
when me
are
did
gonna
blood
stop that
clot married.
man
So every
down.
year me get a check say to tell on a dirty nasty stinking blood clot.
1 minute
And
argument with
Tuffy,
none of them.
guess what? You will not get not even a dollar out of my money.
Tuffy
And anybody will want to send
are
you
running
money, dirty
Instagram like
drunk,
she has
bro.
some done
Guess
man.
what? The June taught the secret about you and the people them, the 4,000 odd people them, but it over June live. Most of them know your blood clot already. Because the young people them all look out and I said the whole long time blood clot girl. They should go look work now. Tuffy beg too much. Them know your dirty girl because you been from platform to blood clot platform. I'll push name them a call and they say, oh, if I have a blood clot, push they wouldn't know you.
But Kim have her out here because people Kim if you got pay some money for help Tuffy do her teeth them.
Yeah, she want to go visit her
But
dentist.
them
Me say blood clot.
spend some money on Tuffy
Them say
blood clot.
them say Tuffy mouth think like back pocket when you poop. And it's clean in your bumbo clot back pocket and not
Tuffy
come out
mouth
of
think
jeans.
like down a back to toilet them.
They say come like a bubbles in the pants. And you
The
have to press
bubbles
it.
in the pants pocket, beloved. You have to push your hand in the pants pocket.
I goes up.
But all you money body.
Oh,
Blood
Tada.
clot thief.
Like she can't come to no girl out of this blood clot. Every girl have them source, dirty girl. Me not see no girl a come out here and I come beg no girl. Nothing out of this blood clot. Cause one thing with them girl upon Instagram, if them now work, them have them source of how they gain their fucking money. Every girl out of this blood clotting. Worse, the girl them with them blood clot pride now come out here. If them are dead for hungry, them rather go shoplift no blood clot. I don't
We're
know what they
putting a
use.
blood
Dirty
clot, so we
girl.
always have a top man in our pocket to pay our rent, our bills. Right,
Thank God
so
for
we don't
my
know
old
about
blood
hungry
clot
days.
husband. I don't pay rent. I own.
We don't know
I
about
own and I get a check
hungry
every
days.
year. Every year I get a blood clot check. I put some in my savings and some in my checking and I just a Spencer, Me just a Spencer. A 3-barrel blood clot come out of my house this week. Yeah, girl. And I be a blood clot things me send gone down to Jamaica. I'm not gonna tell you no how me get them, but me get them.
Lava. I can't in an argument with Tuffy. I try to build an argument with me. Right? She feel
I
up to
know
the
what she
weekend.
do.
She
Let me
feel up
tell you
to the
something.
interesting, and I'm not the one. Like seriously, and
Yeah, cause I know
anytime,
why you stress out your body because you want know. Let me tell you
anytime
something.
you
You don't
make
know
her
say.
live again,
Yes,
and I got
because
you
she
know,
realized that the money now come as fast as the blood clot used to come. She want for blood clot come out and say and have a team where I say team tough it dirty stinking girl and I say all when you win to blood clot the people them give you lose. You come last in a blood clot.
Jesus Christ.
You come like the girl them in a blood clot greenhouse a Spanish Town primary will never come first yet.
You say how much time I join diary life today. I have to run off every minute cause through my apartment and I have to in and out
Yeah,
and
no
listen
worry
in and
yourself, my love. I talk you another blood clot body. Okay, we eat you, we shot you in a blood clot. Me and Diary shot you.
diary my girl. I'm in a business where nobody wants to say. I
Me
love
and Diary
diary.
shot you. We shot you.
That is a she for chat me.
No, no you.
Oh,
Nothing attack. But you come about Diary. You have a dark pussy. Other than a blood clot, boy, you come about lava, this lava, that. A stinking hole, you have a suck your
I love her.
yeah. Oh.
Love her. Get dark out.
The bright no blood clot. I don't know. This Begaton blood clot, girl. You ever turn a blood clot cousin and what turn a blood clot auntie. A suck your
Mother. And them say me you can beg $20 at least. Now man now give me a $10 though.
So you stink like blood clot overnight cabbage. When it not cook good.
Them not give me none, then give me $10.
Outside than a blood clot. Tough your husband, boy, you run out about husband. Husband, my blood clot, your husband is a croft. Everybody over this blood clot don't know. So you breed and you're married to a bum ass blood clot nigga. Tell that nigga to send for me in South Florida, bitch. Cause I'm tell us something. You can't run out for me in South Florida. Yeah, me I one of them internet bad girl that when me I go tell you this now. You see, if your man decide to come for me, a blood clot FBI and CIA, cause me I go ball out and say, oh, I'm in fear of my life. I'm being threatened by a fucker in Jamaica. Suck your mother. Out harder. On a little bit too plenty. When people give you a little highlight, and a sister wanna get a little highlight, nothing more than you run down blood clot junior come talk about any girl come to Jamaica and this up on IG, I got this and that. Hey, so good girl, you can't come to a real blood clot bad girl out of this bumbo clot.
What was that?
No, that you say? That you say? She say any girl with this up on IG and come to Jamaica, she gonna run out pan them. With her stinking hole. We're not afraid of your dirty bitch. We'll kill your blood clot and come back to America.
Jesus Christ, Baba, full in a man.
What harder? I know she call my name for. About she block me. Call me a style Kim. Me after time for blood clot style Kim. Kim don't come out and come style her blood clot self already. So I know when me for blood clot style Kim both. Mr. Kim. Mr. Kim. Mr. Kim. Me get what more blood clot L more than blood clot Kim. Your blood clot tough you eat, you know. I eat my house full of food and a bumbo clot.
Asante Abu start to do what?
Ashanti na booster. Ashanti does make sure blood clot the show. You know say Ashanti is a blogger. He's doing his job. He's doing his job. So to run over blood clot. Where place the name? Make sure run go over see you tomorrow. I want June to pour some kiss in your face and have somebody have blood clot. Well, yeah, body out here. We see you, stinking girl. Like you, you get a little buzz.
Back over there, sir?
Yeah, well, we know say you walk and beg no blood clot. Everywhere you go, you bring down your whole entire generation because poor your little son. Eh? I want me hear you talk about oh, you gotta take off your son pampers and make June suck your son cocky as a dirty nasty pedophile mama. Cause me would want nobody for blood clot violate my son. Them way there as a mother I saw you attack. You know to say you're dog shit. Ain't nobody like your motherfucking dumbass out here, ho.
You can't invite people for do the things that your kids are eating. You can't
Yeah, and that's the blood clot I talk about. Oh, she got to take off J1
you can't put kids in a grown people stuff.
So could girl, I think you don't know my fake page, dirty girl. Just like how you said it, I watch me pan baga by your blood clot fake page. So good Tuffy. I see me did the pan my fake page and I watch you too and blood clot Kim over there and Kim after tell you say, oh, we can't still about the baby. Dirty bitch. You think we like you? We never like your man in an hour blood clot night. When you think change? Nothing.
Roxina, after 3 days, the 3rd day, I have to take off the something.
But I know how you can style, girl. Because let me tell you something. Even if that girl in a foreign and a
I used it to take it off. Yeah, the last time.
Money body. And when you get in a foreign to blood clot, Tuffy can't do better than no girl with their blood clot foreign. So Tuffy, I need to go light a blood clot. I can go and sing a song here, find our way back to blood clot near Penn Cemetery. Because I don't know how you want to style girl with blood clot live in America. First of all, no girl in America can't naked. Okay? And a girl in America can't hungry. Walmart Publix there.
Tuffy things say live I pay me like I'm not getting paid from live. So if them see me on Smother Live, I look a free time I have I'm a come on Smother Live. Know that me now no work. I'm a little day off, I go do my little thing, and now I'm back on my way home.
Boy, money body, where you up to? You not tell her where you up to, money body?
You know, say me no ear, that's what I tell you, say me been a run in and out on the live, all diary live. Me no ear, but me ear when she say money body, from what you me notice say you not join Kim live. I want to know what all of that for can I ask him too.
Okay.
Because I told like I said, I go do my thing and my way back and in a pain, I could answer her the way I want to answer her.
What people know about you come confront you?
But I don't know what she hear.
Suppose you don't want to go to Kim live. You don't have all authority. I never know if Kim appear here in America.
I don't know what stuff to hear about. I'm not the weakest with Boo, not because you see my mouth certain way and talk certain way. Don't do that. Don't load up your voice for me. I'm not the one, mama. I'm in the name blood clot June Goon.
How tired about you run down from blood clot June? June should have spit in your blood clot face and just tear off everything off of your blood clot. Come on, when we get Jamaica, which bumbo clot girl can run up on me? If I'm see girl run down from blood clot, me a slap beat and treat you. I'm not teaching anymore than me a beat and treat out your blood clot. Me a treat you with cruelty. That's a girl we used to block 9th Street and Cali Smith Drive. What the fuck you know about? You think you alone born and growing a blood clot, get a girl, we have fight long time before you come out of this pussy clot, yeah. Time nice now, because guess what? Certain things we used to go on back then, social media, they about so people not do it again. But I'm gonna tell you something stinking old blood clot, girl. You could have never, ever try that blood clot with me. Not even now, can me bust off your bumbo clot head. I find no why you come chat some big pussy girl. So me like them run past the border and come in America and come chat so tough.
Can't take the tracy thing, man. I don't tracy thing with nobody.
That's how with some girls. Sometimes them get me ignorant testimony, but it's when me can't catch them, I ball, you know.
I saw me that too. That's me when I want to tear them up, I start crying. My mother said, what the blood clot you cry for? But
I
she
know me
not.
I cry fast. Actually, you can't hold them.
Yes, I cry what you would do with them.
If regular people come turn up in front of you and argue with them, I all and pull them dirty blood clot. One to some of them stinking girl. Yeah. The same treatment for them too.
What did I tell you? Trouble not set like rain lava. Trouble no for find it great. Easy for getting and hard for come out. Yeah, that me I tell you.
June says apply pressure. I don't know.
Yeah, apply pressure. June said Tuffy.
June never blood clot.
What you embarrass me for?
I don't know why June never beat up Tuffy. Maybe June and herself and a blood clot bad girl. But Tuffy, be careful. Man, you lose your life out of this blood clot about you gonna run up on any girl. Because on every girl you can blood clot bring that so.
Right.
Yeah, easy. Like nobody kill is to come left from foreign, come at Jamaica and come around and spoil us.
Can't bother. Just you look out for the foreigner them with this Can't manage. I hope first if you look out for she decide first.
She not look for hope because she said open on a blood clot to come at Jamaica. That other girl would talk shit for internet shit place and say. But Tuffy, if me come to Jamaica right now and me know me have to come any which party I come and me I do a stop in a blood clot market. I ask the people them was the person they was sell the black acid.
I was already gone, chat sleep. I could get a chance sleep see.
Must have breed.
I shan about time.
Out of that stinking old Tuffy. Like say you can blood clot stand again out of this blood clot.
The fuck I can't breathe in a tree ready for no baby. I don't want a baby.
Alright, mother, me and you.
I know. I know, so the ones them when I'm the pitney raise would I raise our pitney better than how me and you that raise it. Me I tell you that them raise kids good. Some of them, not all of them.
Mother, I eat my fried fish and blood clot fried plantain.
I go home go eat some fried fish and festival and bombing.
No festival and no bombing.
That
Look
me I
at
go love
plantain
eat.
nice, yeah. I love it.
Diarrhea
Tuffy, you're so
sleep.
on slower.
She must have go work tomorrow.
Diary must tie the blood clot, Tuffy.
You got this.
Diary must tired. Come I know what she come go and like so she not chat me out of this blood clot. Yeah.
Lava.
Girl, you stop your youth.
Diarrhea cuss her today.
No. Diary they have to come here. So me understand. But that's what she
But
loves.
me
She
that
loves to take a hype off of people.
take up
That's what
fear
Tuffy
today
stay
with
a long
diarrhea.
time.
Me that take up fear today with diarrhea, so I don't know what's the what you call it, the U-turn or the 360 turn or what you wanna call it.
Listen, it's such a steer. You see, once you feel like she with this year. Tuffy
You
just
can't
come
have
suck
me.
me and my whole
No, you
entire blood
can't
clot for
have
fitness.
me. No.
Yeah, handicap cousin. We have to take time with them.
No, sir.
Yeah, she are one of them then. If you have enough blood clot, like somebody out there afraid of her. Tuffy has scumdrel and mongrel. And you can't intimidate no girl out of this blood clot. Yeah, we are going to forever and ever talk about you, man. Okay, me hear you call up and candy name. Girl, she not stop post you and start and this year class. Yeah. We don't care. I like the girl out that way in obligation. What a brightness. Hey, you ever hear them say, oh, people say when you lie with dog, you must get sweet?
I thought that every day, so I'm sorry I'm come across some people.
And I feel my spit blood clot disappear because you burn up like blood clot, son. Oh, you're bad, girl. You're bad no blood clot, man. I pity you know, so I know the Dan don't whisper you blood clot. The girl, I want one call. Oh.
One for
The last time I did at Jamaica, I did supposed to come fuck you.
and you got don't
But through me, I walk a little pussy.
I run around that. Can't talk in
Yeah,
my
until
face.
today, I'm still vexed with me. Because I should have come down there, come blood clot, clean him right for him. How about that, bitch? Yeah, because badness with it, me say. It's alright for clean. On the Tuffy, man. Yeah, all time, ninja dog. Hey, girl, when we are fuck, man, we broke them cocky. Everywhere I'm going after blood clot, whisper me. Out harder. But I make me have to call him and tell him say you trouble me. And husband, my husband, my blood clot. What kind of husband make him wife come out and come from blood clot pestilent to nations? Nations. Meanwhile, them cock up their name out the people and blood clot money.
Love, I hate you. I hate you. I know what you say, how you say it.
No truth. Listen,
But you
money
want
body me
direct.
there with man already. I saw me there with the man. The first thing the man do I buy me a car. I did have a car, you know.
Right.
And the man buy me a car, cash. And said, turn in your vehicle. I said, no, I'm not turning my vehicle because I'm not able. When I turn in my vehicles, then me I got have things. I take back your car. The man said, oh, me I take back the car when you are in the car. And I'm think about it, I said, blood clot. One day, me and the man do the things that my everything I would lay down on the bed. And I chat or something. And the man tell me, say, no one, me beg no man nothing. I see when
Yes,
him said that to me, he
yeah.
make me know plain and straight as a man. Any man out there is a real man. I mean, I talk about a blood clot, and I talk about Jamaican man. Man said to me, say, when you have your woman, you know, make your woman chat, I think you turn to no other man.
Right.
Because when woman chat, I think at a certain time, they fuck by you. And that nigga never ever make me blood clot once yet. Tuffy man, him sit down there, and him big stinking bomber. Worse than Derek, at least Derek come beg for himself.
Right.
I said the whole nation cannot class stuff and him not give a fuck. As long as him get the money. And the girl tell me, say, yeah, yesterday she collect money. Because she said she sit Tuffy with the money in her hand and the receipt wrap up. Because them say she have to care about the receipt to the man to make him say how much money she gets.
Oh, you not.
Go Tuffy, none of my man them could fuck Brad back June. Me I tell you, because June look like a pan turkey in a blood clot.